Have you ever wondered how come few eyeshadows look good on other people and not on you? That is because you need to choose the right eyeshadow which suits your skin tone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing eyeshadows which suit my skin tone, which is fair tone, and I'll also be showcasing you the day look and the evening look. Hey guys, this is Seitu Kumar and welcome to Foxy. Before doing the eyeshadow, you need to do a little prep work. So what I have done is I have used the Colorbar primer on my eyelids and used a beauty blender with the Colorbar translucent powder to blend it well. And I've also filled up my eyebrows, so now I'm ready to apply the color of my choice. It's very important to choose the eyeshadow according to your skin tones. Because I have fair skin, I choose warm and earthy colors, and I like to use a lot of golds, rose gold, bronze, champagne, etc. For evenings, I also like to use shimmery tones because they work very well for any party or an occasion. I'm going to start applying the eyeshadow on my crease. Make sure that you don't use reds and pinks because they tend to wash you out. For doing the eyeshadow, I'm using the applicator eyeshadow brush by Faces Canada. So as you can see, I've filled up the creases and now I'm going to start filling the inner lids. I'd spoken about the shades like gold, champagne, rose gold. So you can use any of these warm earthy tones. As you can see, I filled up my inner lid. 2-3 things you need to kind of make sure. Don't layer the eyeshadow, plus don't put too much of pressure on the lid. As it is, जब हम फेस पे मेकअप करते हैं तो हम ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं लगाते और बहुत जेंटली करते हैं. So make sure even your eyes work on the same thing. In fact, eyes और softly होती हैं, so और आराम से उन पे eyeshadow लगानी चाहिए. Now I've done with my eyeshadow as such, the crease and the inner filling, and I'm using the 24K Nudes by Maybelline, and they have a brush inside, so I'm going to be using the same brush. Take off the excess and start applying it right under your eyebrows. So I'll just put this and then blend it a little bit. So I'll complete with my day look. Like I said, warm, nice neutral colors go well, and you can see that the fair skin. So I've just finished using the highlighter under my eyebrows and even at my inner lid, very little of it. So for the next step, I'm using the Faces Canada brush. I will remove the extra eyeshadow from my lashes. Whenever you apply eyeshadow, it kind of tends to fall down on your lashes. So just dusting it off. So this was my day look, but I need to attend an occasion or a party which is very, very important to go for. On those days, I usually apply a shimmer eyeshadow on my eyelids, on the same eyeshadow which I've been wearing day long. Actually, the correct way of putting a new shade of eyeshadow is removing the old one and then applying the new shadow. But then there are days where I really have a time constraint, so I kind of apply the shimmer eyeshadow on top of my day wear eyeshadow. So for the evening look, I have used the Colorbar eyeshadow palette with a little shimmer on it. Like I said, I can love to use shimmer, especially when I like to go out in the night. So just doing the last minute touch up. So just dab a little eyeshadow and then just blend it well. And after this, I'm going to just brush off my eyelashes because, as I said, there's a lot of deposits of eyeshadow which happens. I'm going to finish the look with applying the mascara, and I'll be ready to go and party. So I'm going to finish this look by using the mascara, which is by Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD, just to finish this entire look. It's very important that you use the right kind of mascara. To add a little more drama, I've put kohl under my eye and I've also darkened the outside of my lids. I like to play shimmer on my eyeshadow today because it's a workplace party, but you can also use more shimmer and more color. This is my evening look. For more such videos, keep watching Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.